Namaskaram. Let me show you the project which I am working currently for self-sufficient food supply in a property which is measuring 30 feet by 40 feet. So here I have done the multi-cropping technique. So let me show through the camera. So this is the overview. Let me explain what I have done. So mainly I have used crops which will try to bear fruits within 1 year or within a span of 2 years. So you can see my main criteria was to use banana, moringa or drumsticks and papayas. So this will take consume less water, so I could spend only an hour per day to water them. And then see also you can see moringa here, banana here. So I could spend 1 hour just watering, and in weekends I could plan to just plant those. So on that note, I took these crops, and also since this is an urban area, I cannot use any commercial crops or trees. So this is what I have planned, and it's almost 3 months, and seems to be doing good. Uh, and also for our daily needs of vegetables, we have some veg patches which we have created, veggie patches. So here you can see we have created one green leaf patch where we are currently having red amaranthus or foxtail amaranthus, red. And yeah, here also we, yeah, these weeds and all, we'll just cut it and use it there so that it will act as mulching as well as to deweeding. Also, yeah, and I have used since also the aloe veras which I had excess in my uh, pots in rooftop terrace farming. So also we have introduced Malabar spinach. So I need to create one. So this I need to create roofing structure for those Malabar spinach so that it can propagate. Yeah, see all the banana seems to be doing good. Yeah, here we have created for ladies finger since the summer has started. This will be the crop which will be most yielding. This is our native variety. So you can see it's very reddish in color. So this will have more thorny on the surfaces of the lady's finger. So or okra, yeah. And we have some general variety of okras as well. These are the regular ones which we will see in the stores. So these are native variety okras. Yeah, and in winter I have tried this raised bed method because of summer. We got some 2 3 leafy greens, but since summer has hit hard, it's the watering is scarce, and it's suffering a lot. So I have to convert this into patches so that it will retain moisture and water. Yeah, in the raised bed I had one tomato plant which is fruiting. Yes, and also here another okra patch I have made, and these are cotton so that we'll get for lamps. We can make cotton threads, and also we can use any climbers on the cotton plant to grow, such as cucumbers or beans. So below these banana plants we have also tried, you can see ash gourds. So summer should be supporting these ash gourd plants, hoping we'll get some good ash gourds. And yeah, long term vegetables such as brinjal, we have just planted 2 weeks before, and it's doing good. So usually brinjal stays, if we take good care of it with some manure as well, it will stay for 2 3 years. So it's like a long term vegetable. And we have some fruiting such as these sitapal, and ramfal, custard apple varieties, ramfal. Some we have. I'll show the brinjal and tomato patches which we have created at rough distances, so that land gets covered, the property gets covered, as well as we have some vegetables as well. So here we have another brinjal. Let me deweed this. We have as well as flowering plants, hibiscus. Here we have a tomato. Yeah, seem to be doing good, and some amaranthus as well. Tomato, and see, even with the rocks we can use it to create some good vegetable patches. Here I have created one like foundation of rocks, and used to grow some climbers, and use the thorny plants, shrubs which was out in the outside properties, to propagate those, and for support for these creepers. So that's it, guys. Yeah, see, this tomato seem to be doing good, and yeah, and all the plants should get sufficient sunlight, so trying to plant them in north south direction. This is one update on the patch I am working currently. Here also hibiscus I have. Yeah, this structure is just until that roots get deeper, and it's so that we will have some shade and water retaining. Yeah, here also one, and we have some jasmine plant as well. Jasmine flowers are not there, doing good. Yeah, here we had one Malabar spinach which has failed. I need to replant those new plants. Full weeds has covered. Deweeding. Oh, I have some cucumber seeds. Yeah, here we have some ash gourd in banana.